Hello friends, Naveen here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Momentum Investing and Trading. How many of us were able to understand and agree that most of our buying decisions are made through visual appearances? Do let me know in the comment section below. In case you had missed the previous video, kindly go through that video to understand this video in a better way. You shall find the link of that video in the description below. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated for future videos. So friends, those who are very new or novice to technical analysis, this video would help you a lot to understand the price in a better way. Stay tuned with me till the end. I have a one magical price data to share through which you shall be amazed to witness such data which I am going to present in the end. So friends, we need to Google trading view. So here we can see a link for the charts that we are going to click. So the link will take us through the TradingView platform. So it will look something like this. So in our previous video, as we had explored Japanese candlestick, so here we are live on the Japanese candlestick page. And this price data is known as graph or a chart. So there are many tools a trading view. But we are going to get started with few tools that we need to be familiar with. So here on the left top side, we need to type the name of the company that we want to go through. So let's say I want to look at the price data of Bharti Airtel. So here I'm going to type Bharti Airtel and then need to select this particular script here. So once I click on the script, so I get the price data for Bharti Airtel Limited on the graph. So on the right side of this window, we can see the price. So this is the price information that we are getting here. And on the bottom, we are able to see the month and the day. These are the two data that we need to understand the price. As we had explored in the previous video, that each candle represents some data. So here we are on the daily chart. That is, each candle will represent the price for a particular day. So let's say if I place the mouse over this candle, I can see the date below. That is Friday, 18th of October 2024. So this is the candle that had been formed on 18th of October. And on the right side, we are able to see the price currently trading with. So in case of Bharati Airtel Limited, so we can say currently it is trading at 1707.85. So if I place the mouse on any candle, I will get the data for that particular day. Suppose that this candle, which was formed on 4th of October, we can see a red candle containing all the data. So the four data that we had explored in our previous video were the open price, then the high price, the low price, and the closing price. Difference. So here on the topmost side, we have one more data wherein we can see the open price, the high price, the low price, and the close price of any given candle. Let me give an example. So let's say a big red candle. So if I place my mouse over here, so on the topmost side, I can see the open value. That is the price at which Bharti Airtel opened on 17th of October. So the price that we are seeing on a screen, it's 1736.75. So the high price for that particular day was 1737.95. Similarly, the low price. So the lowest price that we can see, it's 1694.4. And the close price over here, which stands at 1701.15. So this would be the open price. At which the price opened at 9:15 in the morning. So the high price of 1737.95. The low price stands at 1694.4. And this is the close. The closing price at which Bharti Airtel closed at the closing hours, which stands at 1701.15. So each candle will have the price data. So by looking at this candle, how do one interpret the price for this particular day? So red candle represents the bearishness, as we had explored in the previous video. And since it's a red color candle, so we can say that sellers dominated Bharti Airtel on that particular day. And now we are seeing a green candle on the previous day. So the values are over here on the topmost side. The open, high, low, and close. So green color candle formation indicates a bullish day for Bharti Airtel on this particular day. So I hope we were able to understand the open, high, low, and close price of a given particular day. Now, as I discussed earlier, the magical moment of the price. So we can zoom in and zoom out the prices to go back to the date we are looking for. So here we can see that Bharti Airtel Limited got listed on 1st of Feb 2002. During that period, so you can see the price at which it was trading. So the close price, as we can see here on the top, it is at 18.70. And today, Bharti Airtel, it's trading at 1707.85. So just imagine the returns. If one would have invested in Airtel and stayed invested for such long durations. So it has gone up by 23,965%. Okay, friends, in the past 22 years. So this is the return Bharti Airtel gave to its investors. So let us explore one more chart and try to understand the magical moment. So let's take an example of Wipro. So if we go back to the previous data, so as we can see in the chart, it got listed in Jan 1996 at 1 rupee 52 paisa, and today, so it is trading at 548.65. So friends, to get started, these were the few components that one needs to be familiar with using TradingView to have a visual understanding of the price. Need to practice these things, the four components. So let me just recap the four components. So the number one thing is we need to type the companies that we are looking to work with. Let's say TCS. So if I type TCS here, and if I select TCS from the drop down box, I get the data for TCS. The second component is the open, high, low, and close value of a particular candle. So try to find out the open, high, low, and close values by doing a bit of practice. The third component is the back test. We can go way back to the data that we are looking for. So here I can see the data for 2023. I can see for any particular month. And the fourth component would be watch list. So that we are going to explore in our next video, how to create a watch list. So friends, do hit the like button, and also by sharing this video with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.